Students, welcome back. Now we are going to see the middle mediastinum. So the middle mediastinum, it is occupied by the pericardium. So this one is the pericardium, covering of the heart, pericardium, and its contents along with the phrenic nerves and the pericardiophrenik vessels. So this space occupies pericardium and its contents along with phrenic nerves and pericardiophrenik vessels, and it also having pericardiophrenik vessels. So these are the this is the space occupied by all these structures. Now coming to the borders of the middle mediastinum, as we know that anteriorly it is bounded by the anterior mediastinum, posteriorly posterior mediastinum, and inferiorly diaphragm, and superiorly the imaginary line which separates the superior mediastinum and the inferior mediastinum. On the lateral aspects, that is the mediastinal pleura are present. So now coming to the contents of the middle mediastinum is heart. The first one is the heart enclosed in pericardium. You can see the pericardium with this green dotted lines. So these are the pericardium. And coming to the arteries, ascending aorta, you can see the starting point of the aorta. So from the left ventricle it is getting starting. So this is called ascending aorta. And also the pulmonary trunk with a starting point of two pulmonary arteries. And coming to the veins, you can find the lower half of the superior vena cava and also some terminal part of the azygos vein. You can see here. And also right and left pulmonary veins. And you can see the right and left pulmonary veins. And coming to the nerves or the phrenic nerve, which is coming from the superior mediastinum to the lower middle mediastinum, and finally it is getting supplied to the diaphragm, and also the deep cardiac plexus. So the nerves which supplies to the heart, and also lymph nodes, that is called tracheobronchial lymph nodes. So at this level only this trachea, so this one is the trachea. Actually the trachea is bifurcating. If you remove this heart, you can see this bifurcation of the trachea and the right and left principal bronchi. So these are the contents of the middle mediastinum. So this is about the middle mediastinum. So the contents again we will see: heart enclosed in pericardium, arteries are ascending aorta and the pulmonary trunk and the two pulmonary arteries. The vein is the lower half of the superior vena cava and the terminal part of the azygos vein, and right and left pulmonary veins. And the nerves are phrenic and deep cardiac plexus. Lymph nodes are tracheobronchial lymph nodes, and the bifurcation of the trachea and the right and left principal bronchi are seen in the middle mediastinum. In the next video we are going to see the posterior mediastinum. Thank you.